In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your organization logo in Zoho Invoice. Having your logo on your invoices is a simple but powerful way to make your business look professional and consistent. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to go inside Zoho Invoice, what to click, and what to keep in mind so that your logo looks clean and sharp on every invoice you send. First, open your web browser and go to Zoho Invoice. Make sure you're signed into the correct Zoho account that's linked to your organization. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard or home screen of Zoho Invoice. This is where you usually see your invoice summaries, recent activity, and other key information about your billing. From here, we're going to head over to the settings area. This is where you control how your organization appears on invoices, including your logo. Look towards the top right or side of the screen for the gear icon, which represents settings. It's usually a small gear-shaped symbol. Click on that gear icon to open the settings menu. When the settings page loads, you'll see different categories for configuring your Zoho Invoice account, such as organization profile, taxes, templates, and more. For adding or updating your logo, we want to work with the visual and branding options that control how your invoices look to your customers. In this menu, find and click on the option labeled Branding. This is where Zoho Invoice lets you manage the look and feel of your documents. Once you're in the branding section, you should see options related to your organization's appearance, including where to upload or change your logo. Before you upload, it's a good idea to prepare your logo file. Make sure it's a clear, high-quality image, ideally in formats like PNG or JPG. A transparent background often looks cleaner, especially on colored or patterned invoice templates. Also, try to keep the file size reasonable so it loads quickly when your invoices are generated. Inside the branding section, look for the logo upload area. There will usually be a button that allows you to browse your computer, select your logo file, and upload it. Once it's uploaded, Zoho Invoice typically shows you a preview, so you can see how it will appear on your invoices. If it looks too large or too small, adjust your image size outside Zoho and upload it again until you're happy with the result. When you're satisfied with your logo's appearance, make sure to save your changes. After that, any new invoices you create using the branded template will automatically include your organization logo, giving your documents a polished,